All right. Man, that Moltres still got me tripped out. All right, so we're going to go with the Battle Styles, the least favored booster packs right now. So we'll start with this one. Hopefully we got some, at least some decent hollows out of these. At least I'm hoping so. Okay, let's get in focus real quick. So we'll do the card trick again, 1, 2, and 3. Camping gear. Drat. Girder. Oh, nice. Needed that one. Fomantis. Mankey. Horsey. A lot of first gen in here. That's cool. Lickitung. Houndour. We're coming up on the rare, guys. We're coming up on the rare. Let's see what we got. Okay. Galarian Mr. Mime. That works. I like it. I like it. It's kind of cool. I like the art on there. Alright, guys. Here comes the next one's supposed to be a secret rare. Let's see. Oh. 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 Okay, so it was a trainer secret rare. It's cool. It's cool looking, but I don't know if these ones are worth too much. Draw cards until you have 6 cards in your hand. Okay. Well, you know what? I'm not gonna be sad because at least we got something, you know. And then we got a fire. Okay. Does look pretty cool though. All right. Put those two away. Man, that Moltres though. I like this one though. I'm glad I pulled that one. Alright. Next Battle Styles. Hopefully this pack can give me some redemptions. Alrighty, here we go. Okay. So we got a Fearow. A Heatmor. Phoebe. Oh, nice. We got a Tepeg. Tepeg. My bad. Oh, Timber. Pawniard. Cacnea. We're coming up on this on the rare, guys, soon. Here it is. Zubat. Oh shoot, sorry. Sphinx. Then Zubat. Okay. It's a pretty basic holographic card, I think. You know, but it is kind of cool. What we are hoping for is the secret rare behind there. Let's see what happens. Oh, it's looking kind of good, guys. It's looking kind of good, guys. Let's see what we got. Oh, okay. Redemption on Battle Styles. Urshifu. I've never seen this guy. This one is really nice, guys. Let's check it out. Let's peep it out. Let's see what we got on all. The last one was a fighting energy, by the way, guys. All right. So let's check this card out. Let's check out the centering on it. Oh, the centering looking pretty well done. It's actually looking really, really good. So let's check the back. Centering is pretty well done. Yeah, this definitely looks like a 10. At least prestige 10 would be nice. Nice, guys. Man, we're just pulling good ones today. I'm loving it. I'm loving it. I was kind of skeptical about the battle styles because I saw that trainer holographic, but now I'm glad we got this one at least. I'm gonna go with the sun and moon and say the darkness ablaze for last. Charger bug, I like that one. Herdier. Steenie, I think we need that to make the other one too. Young Goose. Oh, nice, a Rowlet. Oh, nice, Cosmog. Lillipup. Wingull, should be coming up on the rare. Stoutland, okay, that's a nice one. That one's cool. All right, guys. So what we really want is the secret rare that's behind the Stoutland. Corners look good. Center looks good though. Okay, let's see. Oh, looking like we got a basic Hariyama. That's all right though. That's all right. And the grass energy, guys. I'm gonna put this one away real quick. Get on to the last pack. Man, I can't believe we got two secret rare cards. All right. Darkness Ablaze is the one I wanted to save for last. Oops. Oops. Okay. Ooh, we didn't see anything. All right. Staria. Oh, nice. Dartrix. We got the match to that one now. Turbo Patch. Rookidee. Taurus. Snubble. Mareep. All right, we're coming up soon. Pans here. Parasect. That is the rare that we got in this pack. I'm hoping for a secret rare behind this. Looks good though. Let's see. Oh, and we got a hydrogen. That would have been cool if it was a rare though. That one is a nice one though. That would have been nice holographic. And that. All right, but still, you know what? I'm still not disappointed. You know why? Because I pulled 2 secret rares out of all these today, and it was just nice, you know. All right. So let's go back over what we got. Okay. The ones that I know you guys are thinking about is right over here. Hold on, wait, I forgot to put this Kecleon away. Alright guys, so let's just rewind. So here's one of the secret rares that we had gotten today, the Korrina's Focus. This one's cool. Rapid Strike Urshifu. That one's definitely a good pull. And next, the Moltres, the gem out of all those. Still can't believe we got this though. That was a good pull. And on top of that, on the Chilling Reign packs came this one too. Calyrex. That's pretty good for secret rares out of the pulls. Alright guys, well thank you for tuning in. Next we'll be unboxing the Chilling Reign Elite Trainer Box. Alright, thank you and have a good one.